Today, we're going to review Doodle Fant by Geyeii. Got this off of Amazon. And basically what it is a vehicle made to look like a ladybug, and it will follow a line. Okay? So, that's the idea. So, in other words, you put something like this down, and it will follow that black line. And it can be any design you want. It doesn't have to be this. And but the thing is, first off, what I noticed is, other than made in China, it's suitable for age 3. Suitable for age 3. Now, I'm telling you right now, there's no 3-year-old going to put all these parts together. So the toy may be suitable for age 3, but 3-year-old is not going to put all of these parts together. Alright? Gotta get them off of here without breaking them and all that good jive. They'd be lucky if they get these dots on in a good way, right? So, not for 3-year-olds. At least not to put together, right? So what we need to do is actually put the thing together. So let's get started on that. I've got my handy dandy Ozark Trail multi-tool here. And hopefully this will be enough to get me where I need to be. So I'm going to grab a cutting board. And we're going to get down to putting this thing together. Alright. Let's get it put together. Got a manual, self-assembly induction line. Okay, what does that mean? I don't quite know. Woo! Boy, folks, I'm telling you, I don't think there's a three-year-old out there alive that's going to put that together. So hopefully that's not what they meant. Is it going to be safe for a 3-year-old to play with? Gonna need a lot of help from the parents. But as long as they're being watched, yeah, probably. But you know how kids are. So, got it all together. And got it all together. And gonna turn it on and lay the paper out, see what happens. Alright, so here's the paper. Turn it on underneath. Alright, first try, no good. So, what does that mean, folks? Back to the book. Push the power switch on the back of the 7-spot Ladybird on. Place the 7-spot Ladybird in the back black position of the trajectory map. Yeah. And press the start button. Place the 7-spot Ladybird on the track on the trajectory map and have fun with it as it starts. The 7-spot Ladybird will follow the black line, and you can use the marker to redraw the black line on the white paper so that the 7-spot Ladybird will follow your route. So let's go ahead and do that. Turn it to on. Press the start button in a blank spot. There you go, folks. Well, it works quite well. So the first time I did it, I didn't quite do the sequence right. And then we read the book, as I just did to you there. You got a ducks in a row. So, yeah, it worked. I didn't decorate it up, obviously, but, you know. I think those lines there that aren't there. It's back on track. Probably because it's not real good and flat. It's got creases in it. And I think it's trying to follow those creases. So anyway, get a good black piece of paper and do it. I think it'll be just fine. So thanks for listening, folks. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those things help our channel grow and allow us to bring more products to you. The more we can grow, the better we look to manufacturers and retailers who need their products reviewed. And I'll be able to bring you more products and make probably even better products. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like my video. See y'all later, folks.